All right, here we go. This is the big gamble right here. 12-13 NT basketball single box. We have one sitting over there. Let's see what we got, buddy. Eric, we crushed it on the cup. Trying to remember where I think the RPAs were kind of like towards the front of this. So I guess we need to go like back to front, right? Does that sound right? RPAs were near the front. I'm pretty sure that's how it was. All right, on the bottom we've got a Chris Mullin printing plate and Grandmama printing plate. All right, then we got a Kobe anthology. There was one other box there. There's one other one there. Matchups, dual jersey. Brandon Jennings and Joe Johnson, number 299. Timeline Materials, LaMarcus Aldridge. Ooh. What's this? 1 of 4, Darren Collison. Adidas tags. NBA gear. Solid hit. Dual autograph, Amon Shumpert and Kendall Marshall. 11 versus 12. That is 15 of 25. And then we got a redemption. Oh, nice. Gold proof autographs. Card number 17, Kevin Durant. Nice. Okay. Not bad, not bad. I got a Joakim Noah base number 299. Hall of Famer Hakeem the Dream Olajuwon. This is 23 of 25. Colossal. And rookie patch autograph numbered 199 of 199. John Henson. Milwaukee Bucks. And that will round it out. All right, buddy. Appreciate it, man. I will get it packed up and out ASAP.